Hello friends, welcome back to KC Sharp AutoCAD tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to open your files in two different methods or in two different ways. At first, when you open your application, which is the AutoCAD, this interface you are seeing is what you are going to see at first. So the first way to open your files, you go at this application menu, which happens to be the AutoCAD logo. You click on the arrow below. Now you can see new, open, DWG convert and recover. You go ahead and click on open. Now this arrow that you are seeing here signify if you have an already job that you have already saved in your system, this is where it will come up. Sometimes it shows as a recent work. So do not click on the first one, which is telling us drawing from the cloud. No, rather is to click on this second one that says open an existing drawing file. You click on it. It will drop down here. This particular place means for you to locate the exact place which you have been saving your job and also the folder which you have been saving your job into. So I will go down here and pick any of the choice of my drawing that I want to open. I will click on this and click on open. Here it opens. This is the first way or the first method to open your job. Another method to open your file is to go back here, click on this open file, click on it, and it will still bring you down here. So it's now left for you to choose the drawing which you want to open. Click on it and click OK. So here is our drawing. By doing so, I believe we are able to use two different methods or two different ways to open our existing file. So if you are coming across our channel for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.